What's going on, guys? I'm Fletcher Ames. I haven't made videos on YouTube for probably 3 years. Never went anywhere with it. This back here, usually I have cars, but this back here is a 1992 S10 Blazer I bought for 500 bucks. It's pretty stock. It's completely stock. Everything you could possibly have wrong with a vehicle is wrong with this. At least I've had it for 2 weeks, and it was. I've done a lot since then, and I'll give you a little overview, and then we're gonna go get new wheels and tires mounted, balanced, and thrown on. So here it is, little walk around. Going camping after I have the wheels and tires mounted. That might be in the video, I'm not sure. Like I said, it's bone stock. This is a door off of a 91 I just picked up off out of a pick and pull lot. That's why those don't match. She's pretty bad. When I bought it, had terrible wheel wobble. So I have wheels, tires back there. But anyway, I bought this a little over 2 weeks ago. It had power doors, power windows, none of which worked at all. None of the switches, all the regulators and motors were junk. So I went out to a pick and pull. I got this entire door, like I said, so that one was manual. I took all the guts from the other side and put them in here. So now this is also a manual window. I didn't have the back piece there that covers up the tailgate. It was none of these lights worked or anything. They're all, doesn't look like it, but they're LEDs. I broke both corners of this, taking it all out. I dropped it twice, but at least I have one now. There's a bunch of other stuff. So far I've replaced everything on the front of the vehicle steering wise. It had super bad wheel wobble. I picked it up. I had to drive like an hour home, and I had to do like 55 on the interstate the whole way home. It was far from ideal, but it'll be a fun $500 beater. I mean, I've put a lot of money into it now, money and time anyway. But let's go get those wheels and tires thrown on, and then I'll do a little montage. I suck at them, but see how it goes. So I just got back from Discount Tire. They mounted and balanced the wheels and tires, but they wouldn't install them because they're afraid, because they're not hub-centric. I've personally never seen a set of steel wheels that's hub-centric. So now I'm back at my storage unit. I have pretty much no tools. Here they are, they look pretty good. But a shitty little Walmart jack and a tire iron, because I left all my stuff back home in North Dakota. I'm in Utah. So this video started at 7:45 in the morning. The Blazer's behind me. It's now like 6 p.m. I think. Shop wouldn't mount those. I got them mounted, busted a stud, fixed that. It's my Cruise. So let's do a little overview here. They fit, they work. I got some major trimming to do there because that is nowhere close to near full lock. I think I'm good here. Obviously there. And I mean, it's close here, but I think I can get away with taking this off, which I was going to anyway. And then I don't know if I'm just gonna hack my fender, maybe hack it like this or what, or if I'll just hammer a little bit of that in. But these guys, a big lot is gonna have to go, which is all right. I don't care, it's a beater. It's a new day. I talked about clearancing my wheel wells, and I started doing that, so we'll do a little clip of that, and then won't do much though because it's just cutting, grinding. All right, so that's cut off. I took a flap disc and hit this edge, so I mean it's still sharp, but it's not as bad. No. All right, so the Blazer behind me, my cousin's XJ, and what?
And a funeral.
And a funeral, yeah, just kidding, it's a birthday party or something. Got around, did this side, the passenger side's cut. This had already been rubbed on by the wheels so much, or this had been rubbed on by the wheels so much that when I unbolted it from here, which is screwed now, it flexed out, so I had to put a self-tapper in there, hold that back. That's cut. We didn't file this edge down or anything on this side. I got lazy. Hammered this in. We might have to come back and cut it out later, but thinking about doing this too. I'm not really sure yet. And this side, you can see it's close. I mean, if I hit bumps, it's gonna go